happy birthday for Mama?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good birthday cake.
Yeah. And you go blow in your piano. Okay?
Okay. Tell me when.
Mommy, I'm being done.
Tell me when you're done and Mommy will blow out the candles. And you can sing me happy birthday.
I think I'm born.
And a spoon.
And Bill was the one.
Yeah? And there's Sissy, waiting for her physical therapy. Hi, Sissy. Hi, Sissy. Am I ready to blow out the candles?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm holding on. You're putting lots of strawberries on it. That's good because strawberries are one of my favorites.
Wait! Happy birthday to you!
Hey, you blew out Mommy's candles!
Yeah. Happy and bowl.
And a spoon. Now are you going to slice a piece of the cake and eat it?
And this clock.
All right. Good job on your birthday cake, Luke Bear. Looks beautiful.
Oh,